up, you guys? Welcome back. I'm excited. This is really cool. Dude,
what's up?
You killed it.
Thank you.
Look at this. It's back on 4 wheels. It's absolutely dumped. Like, we're gonna have to get some wheels to, you know, obviously fix that offset. This thing looks crazy good.
It's really coming together now.
Yeah, like, wow. I'm just kind of in awe. When we first pulled in, I was like, this is sick. This is gonna be like the first shakedown.
Yeah, exactly. Like, we just got it, you know, it's running. We got it on the ground. We bled the brakes. We put some special parts in the interior along with the seats.
Yeah.
And it runs and drives now.
It's so cool. So it still just goes the headers to that mid pipe?
Yeah, so basically like kind of near the axle.
Yeah.
And that's where it's stopped. And I've started building the rest of it, but haven't finished it yet.
Dude, this is so sick. Like, look how beautiful and finished it is. The cage, the seats are in here, you guys. We've got, yes, a handbrake. Why? Because 3 pedals and, well, rear wheel drive. And we want to do some stuff with this car that is just going to take the videos to the next level. And this is kind of like the baby project to get us there. The gate's back on. Man, this is so cool because race car.
All right, so yeah, we made some tubes here. So these connect to where that exhaust ends right now.
Okay.
They're gonna come together and kind of be about space like that. It's gonna go into a single muffler in the back. And then we're gonna do that kind of dual exit right underneath the license plate frame. And I think it's gonna look really killer. So the exhaust is gonna be, you know, right out of here. We're gonna do a diffuser that goes underneath it. So there's gonna be like an air gap there. And we wanted everything to look nice and clean and tidy, so we got it all cleaned up. We still have to mount the shock canisters, so we're gonna make some brackets to hold those in place.
Yeah, dude, it looks so clean right now. Like, even just the way that it is. So this is stage 1. We'll get it all running. We're gonna have some fun. We'll shake it down. And then after this, we'll get some temporary wheels and just go out and have some fun with the car. You know, we've had enough projects that have kind of gotten dragged out or put on hold that we want to just drive some cars. So then what we'll do is, once this is all done, we're gonna go ahead and do a wide body kit on this. I've already designed something for this car, and that's something that Kenny can, at Kenny Fitzer Designs, can execute after we're done the F12. So this has got like many layers, so to speak, to go, and this first one is looking really good. Like, the work that you guys did, like, this just looks so clean and so nice, and everything from like the floorboard, the dead pedal that you did over here. This is really cool. I love this. Yeah, it just looks so good.
I feel like those kind of little details really, you know, set the car off and differentiate it from just like a kind of, oh, it's a race car,
yeah,
just because it's a gutted interior.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's a Ferrari. It's got to be clean, tidy. It's got to look good, and it's got to work good.
Yeah. I guess we should do a quick little montage of the car, and then we're going to go ahead and fire it up and play around a little bit. Now, we're not going to go out onto the street or anything like that at the moment. We're just going to play around in here. Now, you might think this is a tight area. It is pretty tight. So we're going to find out if that handbrake works. Man, it's a snug seat.
Yeah.
Good thing I've lost a bit of weight. I remember this being tighter a few months ago. All right. Wow. The startup is aggressive. It like really sounds good.
Yeah, it's got that mean cold start for sure.
Holy shit. Actually kind of startled me. It scared me for a second. Oh my gosh. My goodness. Oh, that's got a good firm grip to it. Woo, woo, woo. Is that how tight your comp car is?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
That's like an inch. So what do you think of this project? Seriously.
I mean, it's really coming along, and I've enjoyed the build. It's been a lot of fun, and it's so unique.
I'm not paying you to say this.
No, exactly.
I want you guys to know this. I didn't be like, here's an extra couple of grand. Say something nice about it. You actually enjoy working on this thing?
It's a different kind of project, and it's really cool. So I'm totally into it.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's It's badass.
It's everything I wanted, so thank you.
Absolutely.
It's really cool. I'm really excited. And I can't even imagine how more refined the exhaust note's gonna get once you put the pipe on and that muffler piece you're showing me. So guys, just know that that exhaust is just gonna get crisper and crisper. A little raspy right now because it's nothing. It's like headers being dumped. Mark's getting some GoPro set up. We're gonna have a bit of fun here. This thing, you know, surprisingly, it actually revs really nicely.
Yeah.
Like for a bigger engine, it's quite like it gets up there quick.
It's pretty snappy. Yeah.
Snappy. That's the word I was looking for. Snappy.
That's the technical term.
Yeah, the technical term. Well, it's warmed up. It's GoPro'd up. Hopefully they stay on. We might kill a couple, and then Mark's gonna go ahead and get the other camera on the gimbal.
Oh yeah.
Chase us around a bit, try to get some shots.
Should be fun.
Don't get in my way. I don't have a lot of exits. Come on, this thing is sick. Like the way that it sounds now, oh my goodness. What do you think of it?
It sounds pretty cool, and the tires broke loose super easy. That's awesome.
Well, the tires are from 1999, Mark. Let's go! Dude, look at the smoke. Dude.
Hell yeah.
Okay, I gotta see this from the outside. We gotta get him to drive. You do some donuts?
Oh yeah.
Come on. How exciting is this? We didn't even have to pull the handbrake, like it just goes. The suspension makes it so much easier. It's so much stiffer. Look at these. It's so cool looking. Yeah, he got it deep in there. He wants to use the e-brake. Okay. It locks up. What's that?
Don't show me failing.
Oh no, that's it. That's it. You're done. Your career's over. I like this. Mike's got his own little burn yard back here. You can do a brake stand? Yo! You can do a brake stand?
Oh yeah.
Holy crap, he just stood there.
Hey, how's it going?
Let's go. Woo! What?
I'm lost for words.
I'm lost for words.
This thing is cooler than I thought it was gonna be. I'm not gonna lie.
It's sick. It's everything coming to fruition that I had as a vision, and it even is doing some things that like modern supercars just can't do. Like you can't just do a brake stand. Like any modern supercar with the CAN bus system, it just shuts everything down.
Yeah.
Like the second you start touching the brake and the gas at the same time,
Shuts it
in
off.
fact, Kurt learned that when he was driving the Aperta around in the burn yard. He was trying to do like traditional drifting, like gas, brake, and all this to try to control it. And the car didn't like that. It set off the whole Christmas tree.
Exactly.
And it didn't like that at all. We actually had to reset it with a factory computer. But we'll take it for one more spin. You can use the gimbal, and yeah, we'll just have some fun for just 2 more seconds because his neighbors probably hate us. All right, let's give you the full POV shot right here. So as you can see, we got the 3 pedals. Got the gated shifter, handbrake, which we will use at a later date. And other than that, we'll just send it a few times, have a little bit of fun. Trying to check my mirrors. They don't exist. All right. This is all first gear, by the way. This car has a very, very, very tall first gear. So.
It is effortless. My turn.
Dude, let's go. Wait till this thing looks as crazy as it sounds.
Yeah, wait till it starts shooting flames in the middle of a donut. That's when it's gonna be nuts.
Yeah. Well, we owe it all to these gentlemen. Thank you so much.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
And she's not even done. This is
it's still the first time we started it, like actually drove the car,
Yeah,
and we're doing donuts
the
already.
shakedown. The shakedown has officially been done. Well, if you haven't been excited for this build, and you are now, smash the subscribe button, join the DD fam. So much more to come. This is just the tip of the iceberg, you guys. You'll be seeing plenty more of this. We'll put this thing away, and yeah, I got Disneyland to go to. My wife and my daughter just landed, so that's it. It's a short one, but it was all about this car and all about those big milestones that we've hit. And this is a huge milestone. We have a running, operating 550 straight piped F12, or V12, sorry, F12. I'm thinking of the other car. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.